Hey guys, today we're still talking about that Mars mission, and the essential question that we're going to focus on is okay, if we did colonize Mars, what would humans have to do in order to adapt to life on Mars? In class, we took notes on what life would look like on Mars or how humans would have to change. And then we just had some work time on the left leaning article. Just a reminder that this current event report is due March 15th. So that's this upcoming Monday. And you guys only have 23 more days left until the end of the term or spring break. If you would like to add these into your notes as background information, feel free to do so just in the bottom part of your background box. Um, I feel like this information is helpful, which is why I'm taking time to go over it with you right now. And you don't have to write down everything, just the bolded and underlined information will probably help you with the my opinion section. So the reason why they're focusing on Mars for colonization versus any of the other planets is the fact that Mars is the most similar to Earth, but even though it's the most similar, it's still vastly different. So their days are a little bit longer. They have 4 seasons, but their seasons don't look like spring, winter, summer, fall for us. Winter just has really, really cold temperatures. That's like the indicator that it's winter. And we're talking like negative 195 degrees cold. Spring is noted for its dust storms, where like a small dust storm would be like a tornado, and then the big ones cover the entire planet, so you wouldn't actually be able to see. This is an artistic rendition of what those dust storms would look like, approved by NASA. So NASA says, yeah, this is pretty accurate. All right, summer is short and hot, and it can reach a balmy 68 degrees, but in the same day, it could get down to 112 degrees below zero at night. So overall, very, very cold in Mars. So humans would have to adapt that way for sure. Also, there's no water. It's just dried up rocky canyon volcano areas covered in red dust, and it has less gravity than Earth. So a person who weighs 100 pounds on Earth would only weigh 38 pounds on Mars. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but take it as you will. And the atmosphere is thinner on Mars. And what that means is that we wouldn't be able to breathe the air because the air on Mars is 95% carbon dioxide, which would kill us, and only less than 1% oxygen. So if we did go to Mars, we'd have to find our own water and find out how to create our own oxygen source. Okay. In class, we took a look at this link right here to figure out NASA's plan so far of how we would adapt to survive on Mars. So if you scroll down to this little section called Touchdown, it's going to kind of lay out bit by bit NASA's plan so far in making life on Mars suitable for human life. Okay. After that, we just went ahead and we looked at the articles from the left, doing just the articles from the left today. And today you are, or this week, you're lucky in the fact that you don't have to look up your own articles. I went ahead and just linked them right here in your current event report. So click on those links, go ahead and open those up and read through those left-leaning articles. And as you read, take at least 3 bullet points or more worth of notes that would kind of talk about the pros and the cons of space travel or traveling to Mars in general. And that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Remember, you can email me or call or text that Google Voice phone number.